Again, we're going to address this problem in 3 steps. So our first step is to write an equation modeling the relationship explained to us in the first sentence. So it says, when a person walks, the pressure P on each sole varies inversely with the area of the sole. So again, it gives us our variables. Our first variable, P. Our verb is varies, so that's equal. We know we have to use K, constant of variation. And then it's inversely. We know that inversely means that we need to use division, and in this case it varies inversely with A, the area. Now, from our second sentence, we should get values to substitute for both P and A so that we can solve for K. So it says, a person wearing boots with a sole area of 29 inches squared. Well, that is an area, so I put the 29 in for the A. In the second step, I'm finding K. Exerts a pressure of 4 pounds per inch squared. So for the pressure value, I put the P. Now notice as I substituted these values into the equation, I did not put the labels in. The relationship is between the numbers, and I truly don't have to worry about the labels when I'm solving a variation problem. Now, in order to solve this problem for K, I need to do the opposite. So it's divided by 29, so I want to multiply by 29 on both sides of my equal sign. On the right-hand side, the 29's cancel, and so I have K is equal to, and I do this on my calculator, and I come up with 116. Now I get to the third step of my problem, so I'm ready to read the third sentence in the problem. What pressure would be exerted? So because it said what pressure, I know that the variable I don't know or I'm finding is P. So I put P equals, using my original formula, I know that K is 116, and I'm going to divide by the value for A, which they give me. So it says, what pressure would be exerted if the person were wearing snowshoes with an area of 319 inches squared? So I have a number of 319 for the area. Again, I put these numbers in without any labels, and I do the math on my calculator, and I find that P is approximately 0.36. Now, in my answer is where I'd want to worry about my label. I know that I found a pressure. So if I go back into the problem where they gave me a pressure, the label on that pressure was pounds per inch squared. And so I put that label on my answer, 0.36 pounds per inch squared.